Hey everybody, I'm with Shane. He's the owner of the 78 Camaro. Shane, tell us, what engine again is in it?
It's a 355 GM. It's bored out 30 over. It's got a 3/4 cam in it. And it's got a 2-barrel Holley carburetor, and it's got Ram horn exhaust.
And how long have you owned that car for now?
About 7 years.
Okay, did you build that car yourself?
I built it myself.
Okay, so wow. And tracks, you've raced it out in Myrtle Beach Speedway.
Myrtle Beach, and one time in Florence, and one time in Dillon.
There you go. So folks, this is the guy to talk to. You can call Shane directly at what number?
It's 843-202-9730.
Or you can call Marchant Chevy and just ask for Shane. He'll get in touch with you and let you know all the info you need about it. Hey everybody, welcome to Charleston Car Videos. Today I'll be showing you a 1978 Camaro race car. As you can tell right now, the owner of this vehicle, his name's Shane. He is a mechanic here at Marchant Chevrolet in Ravenel, South Carolina. So if you are interested in buying this race car that's up for sale, please ask for Shane when you call the dealership. It's his personal vehicle that he is selling. He's raced it for many years now. I don't know a whole lot about the car, but I'm going to show it to you on video. And if you're watching and you're a race driver or you know a little bit about him, you may know more than I do. But my main goal is to show you the vehicle. Let's take a look under the hood. He's got it popped for us. Of course, it's a V8 under here. I think it's a 355 or 302. It's got the tacks up under here, as you can see right there. A couple more right on that side. So there's your engine. He told me just a minute ago it's got a 9-inch Ford rear end in the back. This bad boy is ready to get on the track. Wynn's Racing, that's right. Shane Wynn, that's the guy, the driver, right there. He's the one that's selling it. It's not up for sale anywhere on the internet other than right here on Charleston Car Videos. So this is your spot to look at. You may be watching on Facebook right now, something like that. He's raced it in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on the racetrack out there. A little bit, basically any racetracks in the Carolinas, he's raced it on. Body's in good shape though, nice and clean. Right there, as you can see right here, you can check Shane Wynn's Facebook page out, Wynn's Racing. Check that out. You might be able to see more information about the races he's done with it. Let's take a look at the inside. Racing seat. It's got about everything you need in it to race it. So here you go. The battery sits right back here. Number 27. So again, it's a 1978 Chevy Camaro race car. Again, you can call Marchant Chevrolet and ask for Shane Wynn. He's a mechanic here at Marchant Chevy. He can give you a lot more information about this vehicle. I do believe he's asking around $9,000 for this car. Again, $9 grand or best offer. So give Shane a call. If you are looking to get into racing, this may be the car for you. There you go. Have a great day, and thanks for watching Charleston Car Videos. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos with us.